Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple is about to drop the most powerful Apple TV ever, and the leaks are absolutely insane. We're talking 8,000 streaming, console-level gaming, a built-in FaceTime camera, and a completely redesigned TVOs. Experience? This isn't just a streaming box. This is Apple's next big step into dominating your living room. Today, I'm breaking down every rumor, leak, and feature you need to know before launch. So stick around because the last few features might completely change how you watch TV. Introduction goal hook viewers instantly, build curiosity and tease the big reveals. Apple is about to drop the most powerful Apple TV ever, and the leaks are wild. We're talking 8,000 streaming, console-level gaming, and smart home control like you've never seen before. Briefly highlight key Apple TV milestones. 2007 first Apple TV launched. Basic streaming device 2015 Apple TV 4th Gen introduced TVOs and app. Store.22.1 Apple TV 4K with a 12 Bionic huge streaming upgrade. 22 to 2023 faster chips. Better remote, but still iterative upgrades. Transition into 2025 leap, but now 2025 is shaping up to be the biggest year yet. Not just a small refresh, this could be a total reinvention of Apple's living room strategy. Hype punch by the end of this video. You'll know every single leak, every rumored feature, and exactly why this could replace your console, your smart home hub, and maybe even your WEBC AM. Rumored features gold deep dive into leaks and features, adding speculation and impact. 1. A18 Pro processor. Same chip as the iPhone 16 Pro Max brings. Console-grade graphics and faster app launches. Enables high-end gaming via Apple Arcade. 2. Wi-Fi 7 support for X faster than Wi-Fi 6. Zero buffering for 8K video. Perfect for cloud gaming. 3. Built-in FaceTime. Camera seamless video calls on your TV without extra hardware. Possible center stage auto framing for 8K. HDR streaming supports next-gen Dolby Vision IQ Pro, ready for Apple TV Plus 8K content in the future. 5. tvOS 26 revamp new AI-powered content recommendations. Fresh, modern UI with dynamic themes. 6. Apple Arcade Boost, native support for AA. Titles possible integration with cloud streaming services. 7. Expanded storage 256 GB variant. Rumored great for large game libraries and offline. Media Point 8. Advanced audio Dolby Atmos upgrade for immersive surround sound. Spatial audio sync with AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. 9. HomeKit Pro Hub controls all smart home devices locally. Faster automation and offline. HomeKit Control 0.10. Battery-free remote solar panel. Ambient light charging. No more replacing batteries. Release date and price expected launch based on Apple's past trends. The September or October 2025 Apple event is most likely. Price prediction standard model. $99, $129, high-end model larger storage. Pro features $149, $179. Possible bundles, TV 4K, Apple Arcade for 6 months free, Apple TV 4K Apple One, family plan. Why it matters. Impact on streaming and gaming industry could challenge NVIDIA. Shield and gaming performance might push Amazon, Google, and Roku to adopt 8,000 ready hardware. Apple's smart home push HomeKit Pro. Hub could be the brain of Apple's connected home. Integrates with Vision Pro for mixed reality living room experiences. Competitive edge. Unlike Fire TV or Roku, Apple offers ecosystem synergy. iPhone, Mac, iPad, and HomePod integration. If the rumors are true, this could be the device that finally makes the Apple TV more than just a streaming box. It could be the heart of your digital home. So there you have it, the 2025. Apple TV 4K is shaping up to be Apple's biggest streaming leap ever. With features like 8,000 HDR, Wi-Fi 7, and Apple Arcade upgrades, it's clear they're not just aiming to beat Roku and Amazon Fire. They're building a home entertainment powerhouse. But now I want to hear from you. Which feature are you most hyped about? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown. And subscribe so you don't miss any of the wild leaks and updates leading up to launch. Till next time, stay tuned, stay hyped, and I'll see you in the next one.